Alright, guys. I have something again from Tamron. Not sponsored by Tamron, not sent by Tamron. I just ordered it. This is the Tamron 35mm f2.8 Di3 OSD, whatever, f2.8 lens for your Sony E-mount system. So here it is, guys. Ooh. The strangely weird lens hood. It looks weird, man. There's a square opening. Warranty papers as usual that I don't read. Maybe I should read some. And here it is. Small, compact, weather sealing gasket. I like. Alright, here it is. Look at how small this thing is. Lightweight, focus ring, very loose. Smells like plastic. Didn't know why it smelled that like, actually, to be honest. Let's put this little thing on here. What the hell? How do I? Okay. This looks weird. Let's switch this lens with the other lens that I'm filming it right now. Here it is. How do I look? Does it have good autofocus? Image quality wise, I see it captures my face quite well. Let's put something in front of me. Alright. Right, good. Right, guys, that's all. Full review coming up in 2-3 weeks or so. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see that video. Like the video, of course. Comment down below, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Good luck. Stay safe, stay healthy. And also here's some example photo.